At your company name, tradition meets technology. Every batch of metal undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure coin integrity.
Strict safety protocols protect workers during raw material handling.
Environmental responsibility guides every step of our raw material preparation.
We have a bottleneck at receiving Bay 3. Reroute the next 2 trucks to Bay 5.
Confirmed. Adjusting the schedule now.
Safety is paramount in the high-speed blanking process.
Efficient workflow management keeps production seamless and timely. Advanced inspection systems ensure every coin meets exacting standards.
Strict security measures protect the integrity of every coin produced.
Efficient distribution ensures coins reach their destinations promptly and securely.
Check the scan data here. The relief is slightly off-center.
I see it. Flag this tray for manual review.
Every coin is tested for exact weight and dimensions to guarantee authenticity.
Strict security protocols protect the Mint's operations and products.
Efficient logistics ensure timely and secure delivery to banks and financial institutions.
Convoy moving through Sector 4. Traffic heavy on the east side.
Driver, keep an eye on that blue sedan behind us. Stay alert.
State-of-the-art machinery reduces energy consumption and environmental impact. State-of-the-art machinery reduces energy consumption and environmental impact. Advanced water recycling minimizes waste and conserves resources.
Continuous monitoring helps us reduce emissions and improve efficiency.
The next generation of innovation starts right here. Get ready.
Innovation drives the future of coin production, blending tradition with technology.
Look at this spike in the data.
The spectrometer is showing an unusual density reading here.
All right, I see the new shutdown procedure right here.
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense now.
Much safer, definitely.
The energy consumption spiked right here.
Yes, track that anomaly.
Rerouting the thermal load now. Efficiency is stabilizing.
₹20 for the chilies.
Here is the money, thank you.
How much for the mangoes?
Innovation drives the future of coin production, blending tradition with technology.
The peak intensity suggests higher nickel content than projected.
Agreed. But the thermal stability of this polymer composite is excellent.
The polymerization seems stable at this concentration.
Yes, and the conductivity of the alloy is within the acceptable range for the new currency.
Sustainability is at the core of our innovation.
Everything is running smoothly today. Agreed. We are ahead of schedule.
Look at the efficiency metrics here. The thermal output is exceeding the sustainable threshold.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now to compensate.
From raw metal to currency in your hands, every coin tells a story of precision and trust.
That'll be $150.
Thank you.
Our dedicated team ensures every coin meets the highest standards.